Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Hi everyone, today I'm in Osaka, Japan. I just came out of Agedashi station. Today we are going to check into the Crowne Plaza Osaka. If you're interested, come along and let's take a look together. You can actually see the hotel floors right under this overpass here. Now we are at the hotel entrance. Let's go check in. The lobby isn't exactly luxurious, but it's quite spacious. One thing worth mentioning is that this hotel seems to cater to two groups. There are also some shops inside the hotel. Now check-in is done. Let's go and check out the room. The corridor looks a bit old-fashioned. The room has a deadbolt lock, so it feels secure. Right by the door is a minibar. They provide drinks, tea bags, and coffee. The fridge is empty though, nothing inside. Now let's look at the bathroom. The layout is a little bit unusual. The sink feels like it's in the hallway and is quite small. Toiletries are from a New Zealand brand called Antipose, which is trustworthy. Surprisingly, the hotel even offers Pola skincare products, face wash and the like. That really shocked me. Oh, and there's a very small walk-in closet, but I didn't see a bathrobe. The bathroom design is rather old-fashioned, with the toilet right next to the bathtub. Now the most shocking thing, the bed. This should be a super king bed and it feels wider than it is long. It is just huge. The overall room facilities do look quite dated, but I do like the redesign by the bedside. Then there's this desk. I barely pulled it and it broke. They even provide steam eye masks in the room, which is super thoughtful. Let's check out the view. It's a city view with an elevated highway right below. It would be really beautiful on a sunny day. Next, we visited the executive lounge. We also had breakfast here. Overall, the food quality and the drink selection in the lounge were really good. I really love tofu, and the hotel even lets you DIY tofu. I was very happy about that. Overall, although the hotel's facilities are a bit dated, I'm quite satisfied with its location and the service. That's it for this video. See you next time.